Believe you can, and you're halfway there. The world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at their broken places. A hero is an ordinary individual who finds the strength to persevere despite overwhelming obstacles. Every day is another chance to turn it all around. Your struggles develop your strengths. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. You were given this mountain to show others it can be moved. The greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world throws at you. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Your current situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. One small crack does not mean you are broken. It means you were put to the test and you didn't fall apart. When you feel like you're drowning, remember, you are not alone. Even in the deepest waters, you will rise again. The strongest souls are forged in fire. Your pain is shaping you into someone unbreakable. Your wounds are not just scars. They are doorways through which light and wisdom enter your soul. Even the darkest night is temporary. Hold on, your sunrise is coming. Your suffering is not your end. It is the beginning of your strength. You will overcome. What feels like the end is often just the painful birth of something new and better. You may not have control over what happens, but you have control over how you rise from it, and you will rise. Rock bottom is not where your story ends. It's where you build the strongest foundation for your future. Even in your darkest moments, a light is waiting for you. Keep moving towards it. Every hardship you endure is shaping you into someone who will inspire others one day. Hope is not just a feeling. It is the unbreakable truth that light always follows darkness. Your pain is not wasted. It is turning into wisdom that will guide you forward. This darkness will not last forever. Your dawn is closer than you think. You are far more powerful than anything trying to break you. Keep pushing forward. No storm lasts forever. The rain will stop, the sun will shine, and you will heal. You already have everything you need to keep going. Strength, courage, and resilience are within you. Hold on just a little longer. You are closer to a breakthrough than you know.